So for today's quick tip, what do you do when you are low on milk and you are about to start a recipe? Well, not only that, in our area, milk's been kind of hard to find. So what do? Here's today's quick tip. Take a can of evaporated milk. It is amazing how much this will taste just like regular whole store-bought milk. Nothing tastes like raw milk, but you're going to do, oh, I just made a huge mess. 1 can of evaporated milk. Wash my hand off here. Shake up your can. And then you're going to do 1 can of water. Equal parts evaporated milk to equal parts water. It is that simple. So how long is it good for? 5 days in the fridge. So after you do that, you're just going to kind of mix it up just a little. And then I will take my Sharpie and I will write on here what 5 days from today is, so that I remember to use this for my recipes rather than my regular milk. There you go. That's today's quick tip. How to make milk for your recipes so you don't have to use up your stuff in the refrigerator. Hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit us up on Instagram. We'll see you on the next video.